Irizarry was captured on Mark Dial's body-worn camera, his partner's body cam, and by a doorbell camera. But this morning, a judge ruled there wasn't enough evidence that a crime was committed. I'm Yuki Washington.
I'm Jessica Cartalia. Hours after that ruling, the DA's office filed a motion to refile charges against Dial. We have team coverage tonight. Let's get started with Dan Snyder, who was in the courtroom for today's decision. Dan?
Yuki and Jess, good evening. Yeah, inside that courtroom, you could really feel the sense of shock from people who were in there as this ruling came down today. It was certainly an emotional day inside this preliminary hearing as we once again saw that police body cam video of the shooting. Family members of Eddie Irizarry cried as Eddie's body was seen being pulled from his own car. Mark Dial also cried at least twice from what I could see. But throughout all this, the family and prosecutors are maintaining this is not the end for this case.
It's sad. There should have been justice today. This is sad.
In this courtroom today, there was justice. This should have never been charged as a crime, and we're elated that Mark's coming home to his family.
Justice depends on who you ask Tuesday after a judge dismissed all charges against former Philadelphia police officer Mark Dial in the deadly shooting of Eddie Irizarry. Dial faced first-degree murder, third-degree murder, voluntary manslaughter, and other charges. Dial's defense called the decision a win.
Once we saw the knife, once we heard the testimony, once the court heard everything in this case, there was nothing under the law that she could do but discharge this case.
Today we heard from Dial's partner that August day, Officer Michael Morris. He testified to prosecutors that he, quote, vocalized Irizarry was holding a knife. But on cross, Morris wavered on what he actually said. We caught up with prosecutors as they left the courtroom.
We do not agree with the judge's decision today to dismiss all the charges. We will file an appeal of this decision before the end of the day today.
Tuesday also marked a tough and emotional day for the Irizarry family.
Everyone in Philadelphia seen a murder. They see my nephew get murdered, ambushed in car, and they threw away all the charges.
Irizarry's aunt, Zoraida Garcia, was distraught by the decision and questioned how the judge could dismiss the case after seeing the video.
You're saying that it's okay to kill? Are you saying that it's okay to murder someone because you're a police officer, because you have a badge? No, it's not. This shouldn't be like that.
Again, we have confirmed the district attorney's office has already refiled those charges, including that most serious charge of murder. On the other side, defense attorneys say their focus right now is getting Mark Dial back home and with his family. They did not say whether or not they'll push to have Dial reinstated on the police force. Live in Center City, Dan Snyder, CBS News Philadelphia. Yuki and Jess, back to you.
Dan, thank you.